Knud Andreassen Baade was born March 28, 1808, died November 24, 1879. He was a Norwegian painter, mostly of portraits and landscapes. He was particularly known for his moonlight paintings, which are characterized by a strong and dramatic contrasts between light and shadow. He soon earned a reputation as a landscape painter, producing views of his native country and the scenes around its coasts, mostly depicted with moonlight effects. Though but an invalid, he worked at Munich continually until his death there in 1879.